Shaping tomorrow, the Industrial Revolution unveiled. In the heart of the 18th century, a profound transformation began to unfurl across Britain. It was a period that would redefine human history, known as the Industrial Revolution. This era ignited a spark that would spread across the globe, fueled by the invention of the steam engine. Industries that had once relied on the strength of human and animal muscle found a new, limitless source of power. Factories sprang up, towering over landscapes once dominated by fields and forests. The clatter and smoke of machinery became symbols of progress, churning out goods with unprecedented efficiency. Cities swelled as people flocked from rural areas, drawn by the promise of work. The fabric of society was woven anew, as traditional lifestyles were left behind in the pursuit of industrial employment. But this was not just a tale of technological innovation. The Industrial Revolution also sowed the seeds of profound social change. It gave birth to the working class and reshaped the dynamics of wealth and power. The world saw the rise of entrepreneurs and inventors whose names became etched in history. Their creations, from the locomotive to the power loom, propelled humanity into a new era of mobility and productivity. Yet the progress came at a cost. The Industrial Revolution cast dark shadows with harsh working conditions, environmental degradation, and the stark divide between the rich and the poor. As we journey through the corridors of history, we see that the Industrial Revolution was not just about the machines that changed the world. It was about the people, their dreams, struggles, and aspirations. Fast forward to today, and the legacy of the Industrial Revolution surrounds us. The technologies and industries that shape our modern world are built on the foundations laid during those transformative years. We live in an era of incredible technological advancement, where the spirit of innovation continues to drive humanity forward. Yet, the challenges of inequality and environmental sustainability remain. As we stand on the shoulders of giants, it's crucial to reflect on the lessons of the past. The Industrial Revolution teaches us about the power of human ingenuity and the importance of balancing progress with compassion. Let us embrace the future with the wisdom of the past, striving for a world where innovation fuels not just our industries, but also our shared humanity. Join us in exploring the endless possibilities that lie ahead.